Official opening of the school year 2023-2024 at Penn Blind School, students and teachers were at service. The school used to host blind children, but this year the school received all students, both living in boarding school and others living out. The director of the school, Odasitri Tungi, explained that this inclusive measure facilitated the integration of blind children to live together and study together with others. The school now has 163 students. Among them, 96 are blind and 67 are normal. Penn Blind School hosts 126 students living in the boarding school and 37 living out of the schools in their homes.